Aiyo! So many balanced macaroni. Let me show you how to utilize leftover macaroni with these quick and easy recipes. Let's go! The first recipe I'm gonna show you is this quick and easy Greek salad. Super easy to make. Less than 10 minutes. I'm using cottage cheese instead of feta because it has a higher protein, lower fat and sodium content. Once we have all the main ingredients, I'm going to prepare a simple dressing. Everything goes inside this small little jar. Give it a shake and then we can just drizzle on top. Or you can use store-bought dressing if it's easier for you. Just like that, it's done. A healthy and nutritious meal. You can choose to add whatever protein you like. Hope you give this a try. It's ideal for meal prep as well. This keeps in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. Next, I'm going to show you a substantial and nutritious recipe. Salmon, chickpea and pesto pasta salad. For this recipe, I am using canned salmon. It's a lot cheaper, and since we're gonna flake it up anyway, it saves you a lot of cost instead of buying a fresh salmon fillet. But it's entirely up to you. Once everything is in the mixing bowl, just give it a good toss and we are done. And now, it is time to serve. This brings back a lot of memories for me. Back when I was working in the restaurants, I used to have pasta salad like this. It's very fresh from the vegetables and you can taste the creaminess from the cottage cheese. And the dressing has just the right amount of acidity. The acidity from the lemon really makes the whole salad very fresh, and it also increases the protein content for this dish. It's a very substantial meal. One small bowl like this I think will keep you full. I hope you give these recipes a try. Do tag us at the Meatmen channel if you make this. Thank you and enjoy. Bye bye.